Hello guys, this is the Pavoni. Okay, it's a manual hand presser coffee machine. It's a very nice. I can't say this is the best coffee machine ever for home, and of course there is some big commercials. They work with the same system, same way. Steam, pressure, that's it. No boiler, no, like there is like a sort of kettle boiler, little one here. You can call it boiler where the water boil and get pressure, like some pressure, and that pressure you release it by lifting the handle. Some coffee machine like this, you lift it up to pour, but some of them you lift it, you pour it down, so then you lift it up, so it depends. So La Pavoni, it works this way. This is a 70s model, early 70s Italian model. Actually it's very rare to find someone, a coffee machine in this condition from the 70s. Over here you just top up the water, and be careful, you don't want to fill the boiler, the tank over here, all the way till here, or you spill it, whatever. No, over here is the maximum, but I recommend to keep the water to this level, or this, that's it. So you will have like a space where the water can boil and give you a very good pressure. Plus, if you fill it to the top, when the water is boiled, it's going to spill from everywhere, and this is the valve, pressure valve release. Over here is an automatic pressure, like if the machine reaches certain pressure, it will release it so the machine doesn't blow. And sometimes even from here, because there is only rubber between here and here, you can see the water spill because you fill it up with too much water. It's a very tricky, but when you learn it, you will always make a nice coffee. You will never live without it. It's a very nice. It will have like a sort of addiction to it. So make sure you close it very tight. That's it. I've got this one. It doesn't come. This is a bottomless handle. It doesn't come with this machine, but I bought it separately from Amazon, and it's really good. I will give you another tip, which is the coffee grinder coffee. So very simple. Use any coffee you like, any flavor, whatever, Colombian, whatever, Ethiopian, Guatemalan, whatever, and make sure you grind it like to be like a salt, like size of the salt. That's what you need. That's the perfect size for a grinding coffee. If you don't have a grinder, use any other method, or even the blender. Some blenders come with a small grinder. Use it, or any other individual one. And make sure the coffee, it's just like the size of salt, to get the perfect coffee out of it. Plus, it's like between 18 to 20 milligram for your shot, to have a perfect shot for yourself, the total weight. And I will run it, and I will wait for it. It's like a kettle. You put the kettle on, you wait for it to boil. Same way. You light it on. From here, the buttons, both of them. This is two temperatures. This is very low temperature. It means the machine will run. It's on. It will boil water, but at low temperature. This is what we need. It has to be like this. You can't keep it all the time like this. Some people, when the water boil, they put this one on, so to drop the pressure and make a coffee. So it's up to you, and that's it. And we're gonna wait for it. Then we're gonna use coffee. I've got this one. It's just a little coffee, cheap one. It's not expensive, but if you grind it properly, actually I buy it and then I grind it. I grind it already, and I grind it more. Just you know, or better for you to buy the beans and grind it every single time you're making coffee. Decide to make a coffee. So it's up to you. By the way, this coffee, just to try, it's not gonna be good because I haven't grind it yet. It's just like a normal ground coffee. It's not the one we want for espresso, but we will use it. Okay, that's what happened. When it's boiled and the water is ready, the machine, everything is ready. This is what you hear. Is the pressure coming out from this valve, release valve, pressure release valve over here. What I do usually, you see the mug, I put it here. You see, I put it there just to warm the cup on, and it does. So the steam come up from the valve pressure release. It comes to the cup, and you warm it up. Well, and what we did, the coffee machine is still ready. You can just drop a little bit the temperature so you have enough. Make sure you have the coffee. You just press it properly. Press it not hard and not soft, between, and stamp it. And that's it. This is what you need to do. But actually, I forgot another thing. Before you put the handle in, release a little bit, just a little bit of water to clean the chamber, and go on. This is what you need to do. Lift up the handle, then put it down. As I told you, this coffee is not ready. It's not like a coffee, espresso coffee. That's why it's too quick when I pour it. But this is the way, and you will need, it's the coffee espresso. It's the coffee beans. If it's like proper grind, you will have like a little bit of pressure. It means the coffee will come too slow and creamy. And just all you need to do, keep going like this, bam, 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 bam. Keep going. That's it. But before you start pouring, make sure you lift up the handle to the top, and then you drop. That's it. And you will have a perfect coffee, and you will love this coffee machine. For the milk, this is the steam. See the steam. I don't have a milk. I don't want any milk. I don't use it usually. And this is the steam from here. And you start putting your milk and make your crema and make your creamy latte, cappuccino, whatever you like. Hopefully you like it. It's a bit messy because I try to make it nice, but a little bit messy because of the coffee. It's not the good one, but the demo is just to show you how it works. Hopefully you like it, and I do recommend this coffee machine. If you saw it, especially cheap price, don't miss it, buy it.